Let's learn to read and set the shutdown timer in Pichondria. Use the function getShutdownTimer to read the current setting of shutdown timer. We can see that the current shutdown timer is 30 seconds. Let's use the function setShutdownTimer to set the timer to 20 seconds. Ensure to apply the settings to make sure they take effect. To ensure that the shutdown timer has been written into properly, let's try reading the timer using getShutdownTimer. We can see that the new shutdown timer is 20 seconds as we have set.